Hi, this is Alexander Vera um, for CIS113M, instructor at Carthorne. This is week 5. In week 5, we were given a 50 question task around dealing with the tables, AA baseball parks. As for the questions I have here, any that I didn't spool off um, or I felt were questions that were uh, answered in the previous spool, I just answered up here. Or they were more direct questions I felt I answered in you know my questions paper. These are the results of my spool off. I got up to basically 44, not up to 44, but up to question 44. um, each one is an individual script. You can click on any one of them, it's going to bring something up. Thus, the individual script for each question resulted in the individual result. The results from it, anyone. Um, as you can see, I'm gonna try to get this uploaded to you to show that I did the work. I'll probably be missing like 5 questions, the last 5 questions, because this is a little behind for me, so I didn't want to hold out too long um, on the work. Uh, yeah, as far as getting the work done or how it was this week, it wasn't difficult as much as like tedious having 50 things to try and do. Um, but it was good practice. I got more familiar. Some of the questions I think um, uh, made me like look for different answers. I mean, made me look for answers in different places. Um, so that helped also. So yeah, that was my week 5. Thank you.